In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a seller account on Amazon. If you've ever thought about expanding your business and reaching millions of potential customers around the world, selling on Amazon might be the perfect opportunity for you. This process is relatively straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, we need to visit the Amazon Seller Central webpage. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address https://sellamazon.com. This will take you directly to the dedicated platform precisely designed for sellers like you who are eager to start their journey on Amazon. Once the page loads, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Sign Up button. Click this button to initiate your registration as an Amazon seller. This step is crucial as it officially begins the process of creating your seller account and sets the stage for setting up your online store on Amazon's vibrant marketplace. Now, you'll be guided through a set of setup prompts. These prompts are designed to gather the necessary information needed to create and verify your account. It's important to carefully read and follow each instruction displayed on the screen. This ensures that your account is set up correctly from the start, avoiding potential issues down the line. During this setup process, there are a few key pieces of information you'll need to have ready. First, make sure you have access to a mobile phone number. This number will be used for verification purposes and to maintain the security of your account. It's also a critical piece of contact information, allowing Amazon to reach you if needed. Next, you'll need to have a valid government ID on hand. This ID serves as proof of identity and is a requirement to complete the account verification process. Make sure it's up to date, as an expired document could cause delays in your registration. Lastly, you'll need a chargeable credit or debit card available at your disposal. This is essential because at the end of the process, Amazon will verify your billing information. Having a chargeable card ensures that you'll be able to handle any initial fees, such as subscription fees or other charges related to selling on Amazon. Once you've prepared all these items, you're ready to proceed through the rest of the registration. By carefully following the setup prompts with these materials readily available, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful Amazon seller. Remember, your preparation and attention to detail during this initial setup phase are vital to establishing a solid foundation for your business on Amazon. So, that's all there is to it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge necessary to start your journey as an Amazon seller. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a recap of these steps. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your new venture on Amazon.